Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up Lowe's price drop alerts. So setting up price drop alerts for Lowe's can be done through their official loyalty program, mobile app, and third-party tracking tools to ensure you never pay full price. Here are the best methods to set up Lowe's price drop alerts. Number one, use the My Lowe's reward program. Joining the free My Lowe's reward program is the best way to receive targeted offers, notifications on price drops, and early sale notification. Register for an account at Lowe's.com or via the application. In addition to price alerts, members get early access to sales like My Lowe's Reward Week, a free member-only gift, and for credit card holders, 5% off every day. Number two is going to be utilizing the Lowe's mobile application. The Lowe's application allows for a customized experience, including tracking points and receiving personalized recommendations. So you can go ahead and do so. And finally, use a third-party price tracking tool so you can set up external automatic alerts for specific Lowe's item. Install extensions like camel if they track Lowe's honey. Or specialized price trackers that monitor Lowe's. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.